How to lock your journal on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on Software Update at the top as shown. On this page, your iPhone will check for the latest software update and ensure your iOS is up to date. Now, go back to the home screen and locate the Journal app. Press and hold the app icon to bring up the Quick Actions menu. From the available options, tap on Require Face ID. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Require Face ID once more to finalize and secure the app. Now, whenever you try to open the app, it will first prompt you for Face ID authentication. The app will only open after successful verification, adding an extra layer of security to your private information. Alternatively, you can enable the lock from within the app's settings. Open the Journal, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner, and then choose Lock Journal. On the following screen, simply turn on the switch for Lock Journal to protect your entries. Following these steps, you can easily lock your journal on an iPhone.